Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a cleaning video. It's been a while since I filmed and posted a cleaning video, but I don't know, since spring has sprung, I've been feeling a lot more motivated to get some cleaning done and decluttering, and I'm just in that spring cleaning mood. So I hope this video brings you some motivation or some, inspiration. It is kind of a random video. I've just kind of been picking up here there. It's over the course of a couple days, but it is a shorter video. I just kind of filmed when I could, didn't when I couldn't. I'm just kind of going with the flow with this video, but yeah, we're getting right into it, starting with the kitchen. So yesterday was a beautiful day, and all I wanted to do was sit inside and declutter the clothes. I don't know if it's just me, but as soon as spring is here, I'm like full spring cleaning mode, and I just can't help myself. So yesterday we washed all the clothes in the house, went through them, and donated what needed to be donated and tossed what needed to be tossed, and it feels so good to have a nice clean closet. So if you have been considering decluttering your closet, going through, donating things, I'd say bite the bullet, get it done, and you'll feel like a whole new person after. I'm not even exaggerating.
Be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign.
So we're just gonna take a break from cleaning the kitchen right now. My baby finished eating his lunch, so I'm just gonna give this high chair a good wipe down. And if you guys own this high chair and notice that I got the tray off, it's actually very easy once you get it off the first time. So if you stick your hand right in the middle and just pull up on one of the corners, you might need to give it a good tug and it should come off. And then after that, you'll see underneath there's like these little tabs that connect the high chair to, or the tray to the high chair, and you can just push on them to loosen them up a little bit, and then the tray comes off pretty easy from there, and you can have a tray that is removable and washable, which is pretty ideal with the baby and the toddler. So
I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. when the lights go out, and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign, give me a sign. Oh baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that.
So it's been a while since we cleaned this bedroom. The bathroom especially, you will see later, but it really needed some love. So it felt good to get it all cleaned up. You'll see me here taking off the sheets. I threw them in the washer, but they didn't finish until pretty late at night. So you don't see me making the bed. I apologize for that, but you see everything else. So there I'm also taking out a little mattress. We are trying to transition our baby out of our bed. So we've been putting him on the ground beside us. I don't think I'm ready for him to be in his own room yet. I'm attached to him. I'm used to him sleeping by me at all times, but I'm ready for him to move into his own bed. He is a crazy sleeper now. He rolls around and kicks us in the head all night. But so I had this mattress underneath or beside our bed, and it's gonna stay there. I'm just moving it out to clean, and I'll move it back in at night just so he can sleep there. But if anybody has any tips on how to get him to stop like waking up through the night, I think it's because I was breastfeeding and he was waking up and the breast was so conveniently beside him all the time, he would just help himself. But now that he's in his own bed, it's not that easy. He'll wake up and then be upset when I'm not beside him. So I don't know if it's just time or if there's any tricks I can do, but if you have any pointers or any opinions, suggestions, let me know.
And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. I don't really need new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so you're the type for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth a try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me.
So I'm just gonna finish up this video in the living room. I just wanted to say I'm sorry for like the quick video. Life has just been kind of crazy lately and I've been feeling very busy, but I wanted to get something out there for you guys, and it's been a while since I posted a cleaning video, so I hope that you guys enjoyed it, even if it was a little bit on the shorter side. If you're watching this here and listening to me talk, I wanted to say thank you so much for sticking around, and like and comment and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye guys.
Would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away.